Alright, today's video is about a new Zippo that just came in. And according to my Zippo log, this is number 660 in my collection. So let's take a look at this thing, and it is a kit. It has a lifetime guarantee. It's got the lighter, the fluid, the flints. It's the all-in-one kit, lighter, fluid, and flints. And on the back, it says keep out of reach of children, etc., etc. It's extremely flammable. And of course, it's got the idiotic P65 warning on it. And this is most of this stuff is genuine Zippo, made in Bradford, PA. Except, if you look real close, it says the flints made in Austria. The windproof lighter and lighter fluid made in the USA. That's the first time I've seen that, flints made in Austria. Because if you look at one of these little cards that has the Zippo flints sold, it does not say anything about Austria. The only thing I can find on it says made in the USA. So that's the first time I've seen that. And I'm going to open this kit up. It's got 4 ounces of Zippo fluid. This is a nice brushed brass finish. There's the flints. It looks like about 7 or 8. I don't know how many. It's plenty. I got a lot of those. It does not come with a box. It just comes in this little plastic, whatever you want to call it. So here is the nice brushed brass. Good sound. It's got the brass colored insert. Now these inserts are not made of brass because the brass is too soft. Won't stand up to the Zippo flame. Lights up nice. And this Zippo, made in Bradford, PA, USA, was made in J of 23. So that's about 6 months ago. So that is a good one. Like I said, brass is my favorite. What are the dimensions of a Zippo? That looks like not quite, well, it's about 1.25 inches wide, 2 inches tall. Less than 1/2 inch thick. And what does a typical Zippo weigh? Let's find out. Typical Zippo weighs 2.08 ounces. And the final test of any Zippo I get is the drop test. See if it stays lit. Okay, so this fine little brushed brass Zippo passes the drop test. And all genuine Zippos are made in the USA, and that deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.